What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. I appreciate you tuning in once again. Today I have a few pickups I wanted to show you and do another versus video. I'm enjoying these versus videos just to show you guys the difference in some shoes and the quality, and just to show you what's worth your buck. So this first shoe, you guys, I got from Finish Line, and it's a recent release. It's a Jordan 12, and it's one of those pink colorways that just came out. Let me see what the official colorway is. It's Arctic Punch Hyper Pink and just white. So yeah, I got a grade school pair, found it sitting at Finish Line, and here you go, guys. There you go. You got Jordan 12 silhouette with all the details on the back there. That rust pink and 12 bottoms right there. Jumpman right there on the side, right there. Of course, you got Jumpman on the tongue, and then you have 2-3 running down the tongue as well, and some more stuff here. 23 and Jumpman on the toe, on the bottom there, and you got some tumbled leather right here on the side of the shoe. And the rust pink, it feels kind of grainy, kind of rough, but it's just, pink sock lining. It's a really clean Jordan 12 for the girls out there. Very, very nice Jordan 12 in my opinion. Anyway, let's move on. This next shoe, you guys, literally came out just today, and this will probably be posted tomorrow, but it came out today. Check out the box. You got the Easter egg with the Jumpman on it. Very cool detailing right there. And check out the paper too. The paper's got like grass. It's a grass paper, and it doesn't feel like grass, but it looks like grass. And this is another Jordan 12, and it's the Jordan 12 Low Easter that just came out today. Check it out. Nice baby blue right there. Icy bottoms. This is kind of like reflective right here. It looks white, but then it's silver in person. And then you got the Jordan 12 branding as usual on the back and on the bottom. Very nice, very nice. The tumbled leather, you guys, check out the tumbled leather on the side panel here. And then you got I think it's really nice Jordan 12 Low. And then the tongue, you guys, look at the tongue. Tumbled leather on the tongue with the Jumpman. This tongue is super buttery, very nice. And then the rope laces look nice on them as well. Obviously the eyelets right there with the Jumpman on both sides. But yeah, very nice tumbled leather on this tongue, very nice. And I'm gonna compare it to another Jordan that just came out, and it's not a 12, but the last shoe that I want to show you guys, it has a similar theme to these Easter 12s, because it's got similar color blocking. But let me show you real quick what I got. I hit these on Sneakers app, and it's my first time seeing them in hand. They just came in today, and it's Jordan 5 Stealth. Check them out, you guys. Check them out over here. You got black shark teeth right there with like some blue speckles on the inside. Icy bottoms again with the Jumpman right there. You got Jumpman on the black Jumpman on the back. You got the reflective tongue with the blue Jumpman, of course, the lace lock. And it doesn't have the 23 on the side, but the leather, tumbled leather all across the shoe. Tumbled leather. Check it out. And then comparing it to the Easter, these are, in my opinion, very similar looking shoes. You got both of them have icy bottoms. They got a blue sock liner on this one. This one has like a pinkish blue, I don't know if you can see it, a pinkish blue insole. But what do you think, guys? What do you think? The 5s or the 12 lows? Both all white with some blue on them for Easter. Tell me what you think. the quality, the leather is really nice on this tongue, and then it's also nice on the side panel, tumbled. This is also tumbled. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I like to do these videos and compare silhouettes and compare different shoes just to show you guys, you know, what you're paying for. You know, check it out right here. Really nice two shoes right here, the 5s and the 12s, and then also had the Jordan 12 rust pinks. But that's it for the video, you guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button for me. It helps me quite a bit, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.